Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to make an extra $1,000 per month? In this video, we will explore 5 side hustles that can help you achieve this goal. First, let's look at freelance writing. You can offer your writing services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With an average hourly rate of $25, you can make $1,000 per month by working 40 hours. Next, let's consider selling products online. You can start an online store on platforms like Amazon or Etsy. With an average monthly sales of $1,500, you can make a profit of $1,000 per month. Another side hustle is riding share bikes. You can make an average of $15 per hour by riding share bikes. With 20 hours of work per week, you can make $1,200 per month. Now, let's look at tutoring students. You can offer your tutoring services online or offline. With an average hourly rate of $30, you can make $1,000 per month by working 33 hours. Finally, let's consider investing in stocks. You can invest in dividend-paying stocks and earn an average of 4% dividend yield. With an investment of $25,000, you can make $1,000 per month in dividend income. In conclusion, these 5 side hustles can help you make an extra $1,000 per month. Remember to always do your research and start small. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve financial freedom. The key to success is to be consistent and patient. Don't be afraid to try new things and take calculated risks. Now, let's summarize the 3 key takeaways from this video. First, start with a side hustle that you are passionate about. Second, be consistent and patient with your side hustle. Third, always do your research and start small. Thanks for watching Smart Money Tips. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below.